not one, but a 2-piece drying mat set. Now, I have become a huge fan of drying mats.
Tell me why.
Well, number one, a lot of the big dishes in my house don't fit very nicely into the dishwasher.
Correct.
So I wash them by hand. And I know,
Boo.
hard to believe. But I have my scrub daddy, so that makes it easy. And I have that new soap that sprays out foam. Isn't that the best stuff ever?
Obsessed.
I can't say the brand, but you all know what I'm talking about.
It's obsessed.
Comes in a blue bottle. And this is, so I'll put those on here.
Yep, perfect.
When I am washing my hands and reaching for the dish towel, which is always over there, and my sink is over here, I dab.
Smart. Super absorbent.
So I keep all the drippy water on here. So then when I go to grab my dish towel, I then just finish drying my hands, right?
And the best part with ours, you fold them up, they're scored. You can literally tuck them in any drawer for when, or under the sink, which is where I keep mine. When you need them, they have a nice cushion to them. So when you're putting your hand cut crystal on there or your china, you don't have to worry about it. And just what David said, super thirsty, super absorbent. These are fantastic. And we have all these great prints and patterns.
And I don't ever put my knives through the dishwasher. So I wash them by hand and then I put them on here.
Yes.
If I don't have a chance to dry them right away. So that way they're perfect. And you don't want them to water spots, so try to dry them as quickly as you can. All right, now this is Red Doodle.
Yes, it is.
Red Doodle. Doodle-doo.
I was waiting for that. Red Doodle-doo.
Red Doodle-doo. I was corrected.
Great. Roosters are good luck in the kitchen. So.
All right. Here's umbrella. 6 dozen in the umbrella. Set of 2 in the watermelon.
So cute.
$2.50. This is Nista.
Yes.
So we have Nista, we have gray damask.
One of my faves.
And then we have gray doodle-doo.
Yes, and black.
And black doodle-doo. So both of these available. And these next ones are what Tara calls her classics.
Right.
So this is going to be a combination of Old World and Floral Lace. You order this by color.
Correct.
All right. So here's red. Very popular. Here's the blue. 200 blue. Black.
Love the black.
145 in the black. Confetti. Available. Green. Hello Yellow. Taupe. And gray.
Super neutral. Those two.
Oh, these are awesome. And 100 sets of these are now gone. You're going to get these, but get them while you can because at $17.25, because at the end of the day today, Price and Easy Pay both.
Ooh, I did not know.
Go away.
They're on sale. Who loves? I love a sale.
They're also customer top rated. And if you have never used a drying mat, trust.
Yes.
You'll love them.
These are great.
These, I mean, drying mats are the bomb diggity. I mean, there's so many things in our kitchen that make puddles and dribbles.
Yes.
And this is going to absorb it all.
It is, and you don't even have to think about it, right? You just put it down, and I love putting it under my appliances, right? Your KitchenAid stand mixer, what I love, a couple of things. First of all, it makes it easy to slide it around the counter, because these do get kind of heavy, right? But it's also protecting my countertop, so when I'm baking, put it underneath. If you spill anything, you throw this right in the washing machine, and you're ready to go. I love it under my Keurig. Now I've made like my little barista station, so again, if anything spills, no worries, everything's anchored and stays put.
Process when it goes.
And it, yes.
And it spits a
yes.
little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That just sets you off, doesn't it?
Sometimes I see the little, and I'm like,
I knew it.
Does it need to do that? I mean, I use my Keurig a lot
I love my Keurig.
Love my Keurig.
Yes.
And this is great for hot dishes,
yes,
too,
hot
right?
dishes as well. So again, we have, of course, all of our great stoneware. You know that goes in the dishwasher. It does go in the dishwasher. However, if you want it to be warm, it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. So what I love about this, David, is I can take my 13x9 baker.
Ziti?
It is.
Oh.
How'd you know?
Oh, I just guessed. It looks so good.
Hey, no carbs on Mother's Day.
It's
they don't
like
count.
a carb explosion
Look
right
at this.
there.
But now my countertop, everything is protected. So you can actually use this as a trivet as well. So you can line a couple of these down the table, put all of your baking pieces on there, no worries. It's great.
Right. So let's come over here.
Sure, I'll let you go that way.
And talk about availability. This is the gray. I also have taupe. Here's Hello Yellow. You get 2 drying mats. One is 24 by 18, that's the large. The small is 18 by 16. All right. So gray, taupe, Hello Yellow, green, we have 500. In the confetti, 850. Black, 80 left. Blue, 120 left. Red, by far the most popular choice. And then red doodle-doo. Doodle-doo. 95.
Oh, well.
This is black doodle-doo, 300. Gray doodle-doo, 350. Then the gray damask, very popular with 450 remaining. Then I've got Nista. Then watermelon.
I love the watermelon. These are so
200
fun.
in the watermelon and umbrellas. 3 dozen. That would be 36.
And
you
we brought
me.
these are our seasonal patterns, right? So we don't carry these all year round. So we brought them in for this season. Once they're gone, you may see them next season if we continue with them
What
at
if
all.
you were having a watermelon party outside?
Yeah, adorable. Summer
and you put
picnic
that,
barbecue.
Yeah,
Hello, they're
because
so
when it gets
adorable.
sticky, and if you put watermelon on it, it will. You throw it in the washing
But
machine.
this is every day, right? Dishes, glassware, everything you need, wine,
Totes.
right?
And the wine.
Wine. You need the wine with the dishes. You need the wine to do the dishes. Allegedly.
Darling,
Yes, my
take
friend.
good care of that sweet mama of yours.
I will. We have a 2-hour drive home, which we'll chit chat, and then we're gonna do takeout. A little touch of Italy, chicken parm. Can't wait. Love. Right.
Most favorite.
It comes in a pizza box this big.
It's enormous. This is a restaurant in Delaware that makes this chicken parm, and it's bigger than your head.
It comes in a pizza box, and it's fabu.
It's so good.
Yes. Anyway, that's what we're having.
Enjoy.
I adore you.
I adore you.
Happy Mother's Day to everybody
Safe
out there.
travels.
Thank you.
And please wish your
Thank
sweet
you.
mom
I
happy
will.
Mother's Day.
Thank
Happy
you for
Mother's
having
Day to you too.
And thanks for spoiling her rotten.
Oh, she's love. I love her. Adore her. All right. It's time for Lock and Lock. It's time for Glass Lock and Lock. It's time.